Hello automotive enthusiast. Maserati GranTurismo Folgore, evaluating the emotional soundscape of high-performance Italian electrification. What happens when an Italian Grand Tourer loses its engine voice? No V8 thunder. No rising mechanical crescendo. No exhaust crackle bouncing off stone walls. For many enthusiasts, that sounds like the end of an era. But Maserati sees it differently. Because sometimes evolution doesn't arrive quietly. It arrives silently. This is the Maserati GranTurismo Folgore. And today, we're asking one of the most emotional questions in modern automotive history. Can an electric Maserati still feel like a Maserati? Because this brand was built on sensation, Italian elegance, mechanical passion, beautiful noise, long-distance speed with drama. Take away the combustion soundtrack, and you risk removing the soul. Unless you build a new one. That's exactly where the GranTurismo Folgore becomes fascinating. Instead of pretending to be gasoline, Maserati created its own electric soundscape. Not random speaker noise. Not childish sci-fi effects. A carefully engineered acoustic identity designed to create emotion. That matters more than many people realize. Because sound is memory. The growl before acceleration. The pitch rise near redline. The echo in a tunnel. The subtle tone that tells your brain something powerful is happening. Without sound, speed can feel strangely distant. Maserati understood that immediately. So the Folgore doesn't simply move fast. It communicates. Now let's talk hardware. Under the skin sits a tri-motor layout. 3 electric motors working together to deliver instant torque with shocking precision. That means more than raw acceleration. It means torque vectoring. Power can be adjusted wheel by wheel, moment by moment, to sharpen corner exits and stabilize the chassis in ways combustion cars struggle to match. This is performance through intelligence. And on the road, it changes everything. You enter a bend expecting EV heaviness, but instead feel discipline. Mid-corner, the chassis stays composed. Exit throttle, and power hits with surgical force. No delay. No waiting for revs. Just immediate Italian velocity. That alone would impress. But Maserati wanted more than impressive. They wanted emotional. So when acceleration builds, the sound signature rises with intent. Not copying a V8. Not imitating the past. Creating a new kind of performance theater. That takes courage. Many brands hide behind nostalgia. Maserati chose reinvention. And honestly, that may be smarter. Because true legends don't survive by repeating history forever. They survive by translating identity into new eras. That's what the Maserati GranTurismo Folgore attempts. Italian beauty? Still here. Long-distance luxury? Absolutely. Fast grand touring capability? Without question. The only debate is soul. And soul is personal. Some drivers need combustion vibration. They need pistons, explosions, and exhaust pulses.